Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making delicious pumpkin bars. This is a really easy recipe, super healthy. You could have it for snack, dessert, you could even have it for breakfast, and it tastes delicious. It's actually really filling too. The ingredients in this recipe are whole wheat flour, chopped walnuts, old-fashioned oats, eggs, canned pumpkin, honey, water, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and cooking spray. The first thing that we need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and I've already done that. Next, we're going to spray a 9 by 12 baking dish with cooking spray. Okay, we're going to set this aside. Next, in a large bowl, we're going to mix together the flour and the walnuts. So we need 2 cups of flour, whole wheat flour, I don't know if you know, but when you measure flour, you should use a spoon and put it into the cup rather than putting the cup into the flour, because it's more even that way. And 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Go ahead and mix this together. Okay, we're going to set this aside. Next, we're going to put all the ingredients in a food processor or a blender. So we're just going to dump them all in and blend them up. 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 2 eggs, a 29-ounce can of pumpkin or 3½ cups, a ½ cup of honey, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, got 1 and a half, ½ teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to blend all these ingredients until it's smooth. Okay, let's check it. So you want the batter smooth, but the oats may be a little lumpy still, and that's fine. It gives it some texture. So I think it looks good, and we're going to go ahead and pour it in our flour mixture. Be careful with the blade. I'm going to take that out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mix the liquid ingredients to the flour mixture. Mix it really well. Okay, this is mixed pretty well. Now we're going to pour this into our baking dish. Okay, and I'm going to smooth this out. So now we're going to bake this 40 to 45 minutes until the edges and the top start to turn golden brown. So we'll go put it in the oven now. Okay, I'll check the bars in about 40-45 minutes and see if they're golden brown yet. Okay, it's been a bit more than 45 minutes since the pumpkin bars have been baking, and I'm going to take them out now. You can see the edges and the top are starting to brown. So I'm going to take them out and let them cool, and then we'll go try them. Okay, here's our pumpkin bars. I'm excited to try them. So you can cut these in as big or small bars as you like. You could get 20, 24, 30. Anyways, I'm just gonna try a medium-sized bar. All right, here goes. These are so good. Like I mentioned, I made these recently with chocolate chips, and those are really, really good. So try these. I think you're gonna love them, and I'll see you in the next lesson. So good.